Hey guys, so I stumbled upon a new, or rather an upcoming Doogee device. It is called the Doogee V30T. The device is a different version of the Doogee V30, and I think it's going to be released maybe next month. Currently, there is just little details about the device. The device looks very similar to the Doogee V30 and the Doogee S100. And also at the back of the device, there is a triple camera setup that has a similar layout as that of the V30 and the S100. So if you look at the back of the S100 and the V30, you realize that there are three slightly curved lines. But this upcoming phone, the Doogee V30T, doesn't have those lines. The device will be available in three colors: black, gold, and marble. Some of the leaked specs of the Doogee V30T includes a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display. The front camera is 32 MP. The rear camera, the main rear camera, is 108 MP. I'm expecting the Doogee V30T to be equipped with the same camera specs as the V30 and the S100. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It is set to support wireless charging. The battery capacity is 10,800 mAh. The fast charging speed is 65 watts. It doesn't have a 3.5mm headphone jack. These are the few leaked specs of the Doogee V30T. I'm expecting Doogee to officially announce this device at any time. Anyway, this is the updates that I have for you guys. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.